Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking for very durable headsets, stop looking around because you have found these Bluetooth headsets from BEARTWO that are the best. My husband has been loving these headsets for many reasons. They have so many features even though they're so simple and easy to use. They have the retractable cable, and also you're gonna see right away that the button is right on the side, very convenient for you to pick up or either hang up, and the volume as well with the on and off button. A plus for him is that you can put them around your neck so you don't have to even worry if you're gonna drop them. He loves wearing these when he's exercising with the confidence that they're not going to be falling off because they're around his neck. He also wears them when we're taking a bike ride, exercising, any outdoor activity, and even when he's working in construction. Again, these have lasted for over 3 years, and construction, sometimes he hits them around, but the good thing is that he never loses them because, again, they are not falling off. So I highly recommend them. He has been loving them. They work great, and that is just my point of view.